All right, in this video, I'm going to talk about Python's version of the null operator and how to check for it. Most languages have this idea of a variable that hadn't been set. In JavaScript, it is the null. I remember when I first learned Python, it was a little confusion. I kept looking for null. It has none instead, capital N-O-N-E. And so here we're going to set x to none. We're going to print it. You see it's none. Now, don't check for it necessarily. If you need to know that it is none, you can't just check if x, because it could be false, it could be 0. There's lots of things that would trigger that if x to be not there. So you need to do x is none specifically, and that will give you a clear indication that this variable has been set to none. Hope that helps you. Smash the like button so I can help more people. Subscribe if you hadn't, and I'll see you in the next video.